How to use Torch V3. One. Twist the top part of the lid towards the left side to release the top part of the lid from the connector part. 2. Place alpha spin on the connector part and positioned alpha spin as you wish, whether using 1 alpha spin or using 2 alpha spin. 3. Insert the top part of the lid into the connector part and twist towards the right side to tighten. 4. Make sure the top part of the lid has become one perfectly with the connector part. 5. Press the power button on the torch to turn it on.